Hi, I'm Stefano Croce. I'm from Milan, Italy. I'm the sales specialist for OmniPC Italy. Today, I want to show you why it's easy to export the data from a CSV. In this file, you can see we have three different holes in three different depths. So, if I want to know the thickness in an area, I can move the cursor, green and red, and now I can see here the thickness. So in this case, in this area between the red and the green cursors, the minimum thickness is 22. The position of this point is 93 scan position, 13 index position. If I change the area, in this case the area is this one, the minimum thickness is more or less 16, and the position is 115 and 10 as index. Now click on the right button of the mouse. I can export the CSV. So now I have a TXT file with the information of the scan point, index point, and thickness. So now I can open Excel. I can open the file. Next, finish. I can remove all this information, so I can hide. And now I can choose all this data. As you can see, this is the thickness. Of all my data. Conditional formatting. I can choose a color palette, and now you can see different color for different depth. But I can do something more. I can insert surface. This is a 3D visualization of the sample, and I can rotate it. So 3D, okay, move a little bit. I can, as you can see, I can rotate in order to see better my sample. From top, from bottom, X rotation, Y rotation. So in 3 steps, I can see the 3D visualization of a CSV. Thank you. Bye.